Sabi nga pala, Tsismoso ng crypto since 2017 bull run and have been documenting my journey since 2021 at may bagong misyon na gawing 100k ang 10k ng may buong puso at kadwa. Sabi nga pala, Tsismoso ng crypto since 2000. Isang malaking awesome and thank you so much mo nandito agad guys. Maraming salamat sa mga sa mga top view laging nag-review dito. Ayan sa yung mga top investors din natin na si JB pati si Kevin Cruz. Yan, big shoutout sa inyo guys. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa Oso the Tsismoso guys. And ako pa rin to, si Oso the Tsismoso or si Oso Bear. Have been here since 2017 in the crypto space and I've been sharing you guys my journey, my losses, my wins since 2021 and yan, from Philippines now here in US, trying to share you guys all of the things. And we did leap of faith na pumunta tayo dito sa ibang bansa para to maximize our yan. So big shoutout sa mga bagong members ng ating ng ating Meraki. Guys, do not forget to hit like and subscribe and share yung video natin. Double tap the video so that we can invite more people here in our live. Okay? Yan, big shoutouts kay Demelo. Big shoutouts sa inyo guys. Okay? So, I don't know what's wrong with my concurrent viewers. So, huwag nyo nang pansinin yan. Hindi siya accurate. So, supposedly marami kayo dito. Pero, yung pinapakita niya, konti lang kayo. Pero, yun. Guys, we'll be talking about a lot of things. Okay? And, I wanna give you the TLDR of our presentation for tonight. So, this is all about the major moves in the banking system or the banking stocks. Yan. So, meron din pag-uusapan natin bakit sila nagbebenta. Okay, and we'll be talking about Warren Buffett. We'll be talking about Ray Dalio. Yan. And big shoutouts nga pala sa mga nandito ngayon guys. Please double tap the screen and share us to your friends and sa inyong mga colleagues. Yan, of course, we'll be talking about the market reaction as well. So thank you sa mga bumibili at nag-renew ng kanilang services with the Meraki. So for those who are asking what's Meraki, it's our gatekeeper services that we have. Okay, lahat ng dinidiscuss ko kasi so tsismis siya eh. So, pwede kayong ma-FUD, pwede kayong ma-FOMO. So, I put it on a gatekeeper services. So, you have to pay. That what happens is, I'll be using that payment for more tsismis. So, recently, we made really good investment decisions. Okay, and I've been saying that we're gonna break out. We did. Already we did. We went to 69k and we have the 70k mentality already. So kala ko next week pa, sabi ko last week next week pa, pero yun nga, nangyari siya ng maaga. So ngayon probably we need to retest or confirm the breakout from 66 kasi may breakout tayo sa 66 which is the 1 day time frame. Kung yun lang yung titignan nyo, we've been talking about that on our previous lives. Okay, so if you double tap the screen guys, may mga animation tayo na lumalabas dyan automatically. So please hit like, subscribe and share. Double tap the screen and yung favorite yung inumin natin lagi lumalabas yan pag binabanggit ka din. Ayan, binanggit ko kasi lumalabas siya. So ayan, big shoutout sa inyo guys. Okay, anyways, just wanna make sure that you guys are assisted dito sa magiging natin presentation. So tulad nga sinabi ko, we'll be talking about Warren Buffett, we'll be talking about Ray Dalio, we'll be talking about the market reaction and also, okay, what could happen next. Okay, kasi ito yung mga kailangan nyo marinig eh. Hindi nyo kasi ito maririnig sa iba't ibang mga pro na nasa Pilipinas. Kasi maingat sila. Ayaw nila mag-talk about this kind of data or information. I don't know why. But kilala niyo naman ako. Wala akong paki. kung yun yung ano natin, yun yung topic natin, at hindi ko kayo i-shy away there. So now also we'll be talking about yung magiging next strategic move natin, which is at the end of this video. So baka ma-reveal ko sa inyo yung magiging next narrative na tingin ko, or where the market is really flowing into. So kung yung mga nakapanood ng video natin, which is yung doon sa shorts natin, which is yung 66k, I want you guys to watch that, okay? Then i-share nyo kasi yun yung pinaka-short form video nitong magiging report natin for today, okay? So yeah, there are questions and rumors that have been going on right now. Warren Buffett trying to sell his top stocks. Yun yung reason kung bakit ko ginawan to ng special document para sa mga nasa Meraki, and the part 2 will be for them, and this is the part 1. Okay, so now US going CBDC, and we've been talking about this since last year, and recorded videos natin we've been talking about CBDC. Okay, and sabi natin na should we go to CBDC, should we be investing to CBDC last year, kahit ng 2022 we've been talking about it, no? So like everyone's like anticipating, is it the best time to invest to CBDC? Kilala niya ako, sabi ko, no, I don't like CBDC. But it's a great topic to navigate what will be our next, So kung ready na kayo guys, please hit like and share and mag-comment kayo para mabati ko naman guys. Yan. Mag-comment kayo guys, tabtarin niya ng comment. Pa nag-comment kayo guys, ayan, big shoutouts kay Kyle, yan, regular at lagi na nandito yan palagi. Guys, kung nagko-comment kayo, matitrigger yung algorithm. So, kahit comment lang kayo ng number 1, number 2, or awesome, di ba? Malaking bagay niyan sa atin. So, main topics natin today is si Dalio and Warren Buffett selling some of their banking stocks. And this is very weird. Why we are talking about this is because hindi sila nagbebenta guys. Okay, hindi sila nagbebenta ng mga top stocks nila. Tapos bakit sila biglang magbebenta? So that's very weird and that's very odd. Okay, so now we'll be talking about it. Okay, so there been like a lot of speculation about this too eh. So ito yung nag-spark ng interest ko. Okay, si Dalio and si Warren Buffett, they are possibly selling their banking stocks. Okay, and when mga investors na katulad nito na gumagawa ng mga parang calibrated moves like this one, hindi siya yung parang something na over the night let's sell it, hindi siya ganun. This is like well calibrated moves, okay, and people tend to like, uy, nagbenta si ganito, nagbenta si ganyan. Yung mga addict sa pagbabantay ng mga investors, since they don't have the primary tools, they don't have the alpha. Kumbaga sa crypto, guys, kung hindi kayo insider, hindi kayo alpha, yung pinanggagalingan ng data or ng information, then isa kayo doon sa mga huling makakakuha nung talagang juice nung magiging next profitable move for Bitcoin or cryptocurrency alone. Okay, so yun yung nangyayari ngayon sa situation ni Warren Buffett dumps a 10 billion, one key stock, and buys a 345 million of his favorite stock. So here's what you need to know. Okay, but hindi yun yung pag-uusapan natin. I'm just like, this is one of the few data. So if you're ready guys, okay, mag-comment na kayo ng awesome guys. Tagtarin nyo ako ng awesome at double tap sa screen para may lumabas na Illuminati. Yan, may lumalabas na Illuminati. Binanggit ko kasi. Okay. Guys, game. G tayo. Type awesome. Okay. Type awesome guys. Kung ready na kayo. Pero kung hindi kayo ready, ox lang. Share nyo yung live natin guys para makarating sa mga tao. Yan, big shoutouts kay Tushi pala. Yan, pati kay Papa Eggsy. Yan, thank you so much sa mga nagko-comment. Dami yung viewers dito, hindi kayo nagko-comment. Comment lang kayo guys. Okay, very important. This is very important. Okay, pag gano'n na, marami na namang viewers. Diba? Ganyan naman sila eh. Pag kailangan ng something, dito natakbo. Kasi may alam kayo guys. Minsan sa inyo natututo sa comment. So please comment lang kayo ng comment. Hindi sa akin yan mga natututo. Gusto lang makinig ng chismis yan. Sa inyo yan natututo kasi kayo yung mga nagre-research ng chismis ko eh. So yeah, tulad ng sinabi ko guys, over the past weeks there's have been a rumor. Okay, so since ready na kayo guys, we'll talk about it already. Okay, so look at the screen. Then while I'm talking, okay, you just keep on reading on the screen. Okay, I want you guys to look at the screen. And medyo putol daw yung ano natin. So wait, liliitan ko. Bigla. Yan. Wait lang, ayusin ko yung screen. Yeah, ayusin ko na. Share. Yan. Okay, so yan, ayos ko, nakita na siya. Okay, so yeah, over the past weeks, okay, yung rumor natin nagsisirculate siya, hindi lang sa Reddit, kundi pati sa dark web, guys. Okay, I've been like surfing the finance dark web. Of course, may mga makikita kayong mga kabastusan doon, hindi lang naman yung basta finance. Yan lang yung delikado pag nagsisurf ka ng dark web. Marami kayong ibang makikita kasi doon nabubuhay sila sa ads. Okay, so maybe selling off their banking stocks. So now the question is, kumbaga basahin nyo to guys. Okay. Kumbaga yung decision to sell banking stocks, okay, could be tied to the current economic climate. So meron tayo sa mga gerang nangyayari, geopolitical uncertainties, etc. So kayo guys, what do you really think? Okay, since may 19 viewers tayo dyan, okay, i-double tap nyo lang yung natin, yung screen natin, tapos mag-comment kayo para ma-shoutout ko kayo. Okay, pero comment kayo, ano kaya yung tingin nyo dito sa tatlong to, yung talagang primary reason kung bakit nagbebenta yung mga well-known investors at yung mga binabantayan na investors lately, especially with their banking stocks. Bakit kaya? Anong meron? Bakit? Ba't kaya nila ginagawa yun? Bakit? Okay, yun yung tanong eh. Okay, so kasi both Dalio and Buffett have navigated countless market cycles eh. Okay, minus Ray Dalio. Sige, sabihin na lang natin si Warren Buffett. Naka one time big time talaga siya. Pero nung na one time big time, yung talagang it changed his whole life. For how many years niyang nag-iintay, he was able to like really crack it. Okay, so big shoutouts kay Pipins yan guys. Mag-like kayo mag-like kayo kasi kasi kung hindi kayo mag-like guys, hindi tayo mag-i-increase ng viewers. Okay, so tulad ng sinabi ko, okay, right now there are several factors that in play that could make the banking sector more vulnerable, okay, and could capitulate at any time. Okay, so bank play, kumbaga itong banks play natin is a critical role in the economy. Okay, kasi we've been like sticking our asses sa mga bangko. Okay, yan. Thank you so much yung nag-share. Yan. Pag may nag-share, nagaganan siya. Okay, so share ba yun? Hindi ko sure. Okay, pag unique viewer ata or like, yan, basta ganun. So, ayan. Katulad yan sinabi ko guys. Okay, yung bank plays, itong bank natin na nangyayari ngayon is very important guys. Okay, so if hindi kayo kumbaga hindi kayo mag-focus on this topic kasi maraming pwedeng hindi nyo masabayan sa crypto. Okay, if you are into crypto, this is very important. Okay, this is not just for traditional. Okay, at the end of this video, matututunan nyo kung ano yung magiging next narrative kahit hindi ko sabihin verbally. Okay? And sa mga nasa Meraki, ito yung rason kung bakit kami bibili ng mas maraming ganito. Okay? Dito kami magle-leverage. Okay? So whether, okay, kumbaga yung kung iisipin nyo na yung natin, yung bangko natin. Okay? It's like the economy is like a car. So, yung banks natin, siya yung engine kung bakit siya gumagana. Okay? Whether from inflation, rising interest rates, we have global impacts, diba? And the engine takes the burn, kumbaga of the impact. So ngayon, nagkakaroon siya ng problema. But we don't know what's that problem eh. Okay, we don't know. Okay, if Warren Buffett and Dalio are indeed selling their banking stocks, it might be because, okay, they expect that the road will get more bumpier. Wrong grammar yan. More na bumpier pa. So, tingin niya magiging mahirap yung mga magiging susunod na mangyayari sa US banking system right now. Okay, because we're just talking about the US banks. Okay. So etong tatlo, kung anong tingin niyo dito, sagot dito, type niyo lang guys. Okay. Type niyo yan. So, is it rising inflation? Is it because of the higher interest rates? Is it because of the global uncertainties? Could be your war, could be geopolitical tension, okay, or regulation or sanction. Nasa sa inyo guys. But I wanna hear your thoughts. Okay, I'm sorry. Dumingay. So now we're gonna talk about yung moves ni Warren Buffett. So si Warren Buffett, okay, though yung kanyang Berkshire Hathaway, yung kanyang company na Berkshire Hathaway, okay, was reported and was seen na binebenta nila yung shares nila, which is yung major banking stock nila, which is yung pinaka-favorite nila, yung Bank of America, which is very weird. Bakit? Favorite nila yun, pero binebenta nila ngayon. Okay, that's very unusual. Okay, so this is noteworthy. Kumbaga, na according to the analyst, magandang panoorin, bantayan tong ginagawa ni Warren Buffett recently. Since April, they've been like stock selling eh. Katulad ng Apple, binenta nila. So, yan. Marami silang binebenta. Okay? So, kumbaga, para sa mga nakararami, wait lang, babahing lang. Yan. So, para sa nakararami, okay, yung ginagawa ni Buffett ngayon, could forefront, kumbaga, or nagpo-foreshadow to nung something na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, si Warren Buffett kasi hindi siya kilala yung bilang short-term trader. Okay, long-term investor to. Okay, and pag binenta niya na yun. Hindi niya nababalikan yun. Hindi niya natitignan kahit mag-pump yun. Okay, kasi hindi siya emotional trader. Okay, and he doesn't sell like stocks unless there's a good reason to do so. Okay, and here's the thing. So, yan, sabi dito, why Warren Buffett just sold 10.5 billion worthy? Ito yung nakapukaw ng attention to 3 days ago. That's why I immediately chat the Meraki community. Sabi ko, guys, emergency, sinabi ko rin to kalila asin, sinabi ko kay nagme-meditate ako nun. Di biglang pumasok yung news na yun sa akin. Pagkapasok ng news na yun, napachat na lang ako imbis na dun sa Meraki. Pakisabi na lang to kasi madali ako eh. Then, sabi din dun, yung kayabangan ni Janet Yellen. So, sino si Janet Yellen? Isa siya doon sa key figure in the US financial system. Part siya ng US financial system. Isa siya sa mga pinapakinggan at well-respected kuno. Okay? But we've been talking about Janet Yellen for the past years. Then, this Janet Yellen recently made a statement. Sabi niya na some banks are too big to fall. Yan. So, ang nakakatawa doon, nung pagkakasabi niya yan, si Berkshire biglang nag-sell ng isa sa pinakamalalaki na ironically, sinasabi niya, too big to fall. Biglang binag-sell. Okay? Na sobrang laki. Pero bakit? Parang ganun. Nagigets niyo? Okay? So, now, this is gonna be like another thing that we need to watch out for. Sabi ni Ellen, it's too big to fall or to fail. Okay? So, these banks might need a government intervention to survive. Isa pa sa sinasabi niya. Siguro may ayan, gusto ko may nagko-comment guys ha. Yan, gusto ko yung mga ganitong comment. Sabi dito, siguro may nakikita siyang hindi magandang nangyari sa market baka magkaroon ng war ulit sa Taiwan, China naman siguro malaki ang impact ng buong mundo. So recently China stated that they are going into war. He even Xi Jinping announced to the China army ata yun, na they will be going into war. Saan? Anong war? With India? Hindi ko alam. We don't know that. Okay, so pero hindi chismis na talagang sinabi niya na we're gonna go to war. Okay, those are the things that many are scared of. Okay, so now with that said, okay, before we go with the Dalio's strategy, okay, kumbaga nagkakaroon kasi ng uncertainty, okay, and this uncertainty could make banks less attractive investments for now. Okay, and marami magsasabi sa inyo na hindi, it's just like a temporary thing, could be a fad, could be a FOMO to like Bitcoin or silver or gold or precious metals. We would know later. Ipoprove natin yan. Okay, kung chismis lang ba talaga yan or suppressed media news. So pag-uusapan natin yan, guys. Wait lang, nababay ka. Nababahinga ka. Ayan, game. Okay, game. So, yun nga. Similarly, kay Ray Dalio, ganun din yung strategy. Okay, so, founder of Bridgewater Associates. Okay, so, si Ray Dalio, kilala niya naman. Okay, according to media. Okay, which I don't believe. Okay, according to media, he's been like a little bit very accurate with the prediction. Especially with the 2008 prediction, 1999, and 1990, etc., and even the 2020 COVID prediction, bubble, etc., blah 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 things. Okay, so yun daw yung mga ano niya. So kumbaga this Ray Dalio is repeatedly reducing his investments sa mga banking stocks. So same yung galaw nila. However, si Ray Dalio ang unang nag-sell back in if I may not mistaken, like mga May 2024 of this year. Okay, isa siya sa mga unang nagbenta ng mga stocks sa ano. So the good thing about that is like before even the market crash. Okay, so many is like very fascinated by looking back right now na ang galing ni Ray Dalio na nakapagbenta siya before even the capitulation. Not like really capitulation, but the potential capitulation rumor na nangyayari because banks are being involved into this kind of parang mga plays na hindi naman dapat. Okay, so ano yun? Okay, so yung mga laundering, supporting wars, mga chismis na they should not be like funding private army or private military. So yun yung mga things na nagiging circulation at yung ayaw na ma-tie up sa mga bangkong to. Okay, to put in another way, okay, so imagine you're in a hiking trip. Okay, yung strategic ways ni Ray Dalio is like more of para siyang tour guide. Okay, he knows where are the pitfalls, where are the like traps, and where are the dangers ahead. If sabihin natin maggagala kayo tapos siya yung tour guide nyo, okay, he knows everything, quote and unquote. Okay, that's how he like explained it on his book. Okay, so he's adjusting his course. Kumbaga, he's really good at like changing right away if may makita siyang parang delikado to. Okay, he's likely really good at anticipating things. Okay, so parang ang expertise niya is more of like risk, okay, and mitigation of risk, kumbaga. But here's the thing, he thinks it is just like around the corner. Yun yung sinabi niya dun sa mga report. And also, but my unpopular opinion on this one is katulad dito sa isang Reddit na nabasa ko, which is not like so new, but kanina ko lang din to nakita. But I have the same unpopular opinion na nagdi-disagree ako sa mga sinasabi ni Ray Dalio. Okay, so if titignan nyo, it's like a reword or even like collective thoughts of other analysts or market analysts. Kumbaga magaling lang talaga sila magaling lang talaga siya maghanap ng mga magandang pakinggan to sa mga tao na hindi ka magmumukhang parang you're just like trying to balance your opinion on A and B. Parang ganun. So, ganun yung parang nakikita ko kay Ray Dalio, especially nung after ko nang mabasa yung libro niya. I was like really amazed before with Ray Dalio until 2022. Nung mabasa ko na yung talagang libro na ina-offer nila. So, yeah. Those are the things why I don't like I don't like Ray Dalio whenever like recently yung mga sinasabi niya. Pero I'm not saying like dapat ganun din yung maging opinion niyo. Hindi yun yung sinasabi ko. This is just like my personal opinion. So far, I really don't like yung opinion, pati yung mga takes ni Ray Dalio recently. Although, we cannot kumbaga, it's undeniable na maganda yung sell areas niya. Pero before even that happened, at mag-sell siya, yung mga takes niya kasi is like, parang, pinapahirapan niyang intindihin yung mga bagay, 'di ba? Para hindi siya yung maipit sa mga opinions na yan. So, I'm not sure if he's just trying to protect himself, pero how I see it is like he can reference it one time, one day, and like what he did before for 2020 and what he did as well with 2013-17. So isa 'yun sa mga napansin ko din na parang hindi siya wala siyang kumbaga maligamgam siya, parang gano'n. Pero one day i-cherry pick niya yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos ilalagay niya yun doon doon sa context. Kumbaga sabihin natin itong buong 1 hour na to, 30 minutes magsasalita ako na the Bitcoin is going down to 64. Tapos yung 30 minutes on the latter part is I'm very sure that the Bitcoin will be going to 80k. Here's the reason. Ganun siya. So it's like a popular technique to like be on a balance pero ako this is just my opinion. That's why I really don't like listening to Dalio. Kasi also he's like he says one thing and also does a different thing behind what he says. Katulad nito na nagbenta siya ng mga stocks niya, etc. Back in 2022 sinasabi niya na okay, yes, there is a looming capitulation, and even for Bitcoin it did happen. Yes, it did. Then on the next coming years, sabi niya, even next year it's not gonna be really good for cryptocurrency. But no, it did not happen. Okay, and then this recently 2024 sinabi niya na digital assets such as like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even popular assets in cryptocurrency could be one of the safe haven for wealth preservation, no? Yun yung sinabi niya. So yun yung parang weird sa akin. Parang hinahabol niya yung parang magiging reference na si Ray Dalio sinabi niya na yung Bitcoin ganito, dapat makinig tayo sa kanya, dapat pala nakinig tayo dati sa kanya, or something like that, instead of like just building a bulletproof talaga na opinion na will lead to you one day kahit anong mangyari. Instead of like trying to look like really correct things, something like that. But yeah, yun yung rason kung bakit I don't wanna listen to Ray Dalio. But with the Berkshire alone is like I'm very positive na strategic way yung ginawa nila, especially with the stock selling, yan yung Apple, etc. So yun, isa yun sa mga dahilan ko kung bakit I'm really bearish with the US right now, with US banking. unless they do something about it, which mamaya pag-usapan natin. Okay, so now, okay, what's the market response? Type your answer while I explain things here. Okay, so not all, okay, experts agree on the with Dalio. So even me, I don't agree with Dalio. But with the buffet strategy, okay, it's a balance of yes or no. Okay, some believe that most of these moves are purely precautionary. Kumbaga, medyo hindi pa talaga sila super sure that will happen. Okay, kaya most of yung some of the stocks of Dalio is still being held. Hindi katulad ni Buffett, boom, sell talaga lahat. Automatic sell, tapos pinasok niya sa mas nakakaakit na investment. Okay, so now, okay, one thing is like very important, or I mean very, sa sobrang haba ng mga pinagbabasa ko, isa lang yung talagang sure ako sa ginagawa nila. Okay, which is all of us are like this as well, but they're trying to lessen their risk in the market by getting into like less volatile assets. This is all about like avoiding losses as well. Okay, so if the economy takes a downturn, they want to make sure na hindi magiging malaki yung damage nila in order for them to sell this at that time, then take advantage of those that are really down na pwedeng mag-rise up ng sobra. So ganun yung nangyari kasi sa Nvidia. They want to replicate that strategy. They want to repeat that strategy. And some of the digital realty investments, or even yung mga big pharmas. Okay, so now, okay, others speculate. Okay, so guys, magsagot kayo ha, hindi kayo nagta-type, mag-type kayo. Okay, mag-type kayo guys, mag-type kayo. Ang tingin nyo sagot, A or B? Dami nyo nanonood dito guys, oh. Silent viewer lang kayo, hindi pa pwedeng ganun. May pag-usap kayo sa akin guys. Okay, mag-usap tayo para may matuto din sa comment na hindi nila alam yung sagot nila. Okay? Kasi alam ko maraming matatalino dito eh. Daming nasa Meraki na alam ko malaki yung, yung mga utak nyo guys. Ayaw yung hilutin. Okay? So, yeah. Here's the thing. Okay? Please, mag-comment kayo. Okay? So, yan, big shoutouts kay Marvin. Okay? So, sabi ni Kirk Antrolao, FUD. Sabi din ni Mr. Strong, letter A daw, FUD daw. Okay, so others speculate that Dalio and Buffett might be rebalancing their portfolios. Okay, so probably, yun nga yung katulad ng sinabi ko, they probably like just rebalancing. Okay, but mainly this is for Dalio eh, kasi hindi niya lahat in-spend yung kinita niya. Ang ginawa niya, pinasok niya agad sa, kumbaga hindi fully half nung buong kabuuan, sabihin natin 1 billion or 1 million, hindi niya ginastos yung 500k, yung kalahati lang yung pinasok niya sa iba, pero hindi totally buong kalahati. Yan, big shoutouts kay Crypto Spy. Yan, so kumbaga itong mga pinasok ni Ray Dalio is like under real estate, kumbaga, pero si Warren Buffett more on technology companies. Pumasok siya sa Japanese stocks and technological advancements, even cybersecurity. So now tingnan natin yung sagot. Okay, so answer is facts. Okay, here's why. Okay, so ang question kasi kanina, what's the market's response? Okay, so tingin nila facts yun. Okay, majority says it's facts. Okay, that's how they worship this too. Okay, we feel free yung natin yung violent reaction natin dyan guys. Okay, para sa kanila facts yun. Okay, facts yun, and kumbaga, it's something that they need to follow. It's something like they need to flock into. Okay, hindi siya yung parang ano, hindi to basta fad lang na ini-news tapos alam mo yan, parang gano'n na dapat umalis sila sa banking system. Here's why. Okay, I'm gonna give you the reason kasi binasa ko lahat ng mga opinion ng mga tao din sa Reddit, sa Quora, tapos sa mga big institutional forums, pati mga news about sa precious metals etc. mga nagko-comment doon, pati yung mga exclusive alpha na page or groups na seryoso talaga sila pag nagto-talk. Okay, here are the things. Okay, so yan, one is very important. Okay, for example, Bitcoin has surged to 69k but we cannot find the reason why. Okay, many would say like it's just technical analysis, but people, as we go close to 70k, we should be getting scarier. Like as a retail, okay, at hindi nag-iisip, sabihin natin I just like got into cryptocurrency and previously I was like in a 69k, then boom, it went back to 47k or 48k. I missed out a lot of opportunity kasi I got FOMO'd in sa 68 or 67. Okay, but here in also the Tsismis, I talked about like there's a potential in looming bearishness, and we were able to do like exit it, although sabi ko lang hanggang 62, dumausdos siya hanggang bababa. Okay, dumausdos siya. Okay, maganda doon sa pagdausdos niya, dire-diretso kasi mabilis. Okay, kaya wala din ako nasabi na hindi hanggang dyan na lang yan sa 56, hindi hanggang dyan na lang yan kasi bigla siyang dumiretso habang nagbabike ako pauwi galing work. So with the reason why we went back to 69k nung Sunday, di ba? Bakit? I cannot find any reason, to be honest. Like it's just like all of it. Retail is trying to get back, buying pressure, etc. It's just like people trying to endorse Bitcoin again, etc. No, I tried to check the Google Analytics. Wala namang umangat na for retail na yung mga nagsisearch what is Bitcoin, walang ganon. Or even the word itself, Bitcoin, walang masyadong nagtatype. Okay? Should we be scared about that? No, I would say no. Because this is for investors. The investors pump the market. Okay? Majority of this pump is because of the investors. And retail, always, katulad ng mga dagang, they should be. Okay, I'm not saying like daga kayo. Okay, sinasabi ko, yung mindset natin dito ay hindi na retail. Okay? I want you guys to adopt that. Okay, dapat hindi kayo retail na papasok lang kayo pag green na, babalik na lang kayo dito, manonood na kayo dito pag green na, di ba? Or i-alert ko na lang yung trading view ko pag, di ba? That's BS. Okay, I don't want you guys to be like that. Okay, babalik na lang ako sa next bull run. May ganun pa akong, guys, hindi ako bitter, okay? Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo to, kwento lang, small talk lang to, small story lang to. May chinat ako. Okay. Ready na kayo sa Tsismis? Kung ready kayo sa Tsismis, awesome kayo. Okay. Kung ready na kayo sa Tsismis, mag-awesome kayo. Game. Okay. Kung ready na kayo sa Tsismis, i-Tsismis ako sa inyo. Okay. This is way back like 2021. Okay. Kakilala ko to noong 2021. Okay. Ano to? Baka kilala nyo pa to, pero hindi ako nag-bitter, hindi ko na lang sasabihin kasi for his privacy, and also like hindi lumabas na parang bitter ako, hindi. Okay, sasabihin ready na kayo. Okay, so ganito, kasi ang daming ang viewers natin dati umaabot ng 300, 200, no joke yan, kahit tignan nyo yung mga previous lives natin, maabot yun ng 115. Naglalaro lang ako ng mga P2E. Okay, they like me playing games, trying out. So itong guy na to, just to make it short, okay, went into the community. Sabi niya ganito, etc, marunong daw siya mag-trade, etc, blah 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 blah. Tapos nilansi niya yung buong community. Then like me and the team being so nice, like we want to share the platform because who are we para ipagdamot yan sa mga taong gustong yung marinig sila ng ibang tao din. So what we did is like, okay, isa mo ng sige, we have like ganito, pwede ka mag-talk dito, ganyan, sige, ganyan, etc. So now, just to make it short again, after 2 years, okay, after 2 years, chinat ko siya. Is there any way that I can perform again and gather data from you? Hindi ko na sasabihin ko ano yung data na yon. And for us to like reconnect to these people, kasi I was like saying to these people before 2023 ng October to I chatted this person. Sabi ko, I want to save them, sabi ko. And I want to like make sure they will be able to hear na eto na, magbubulran na, which it did. Okay, it did noong 2023 na October. It did. Okay, September pa lang or August, chinat ko siya. Then sabi niya sa akin parang balikan kita, balik na lang din ako pag sa next bull run or sa next bear market, etc. So mahirap na nga i-navigate yung bull run, tapos ina-navigate mo pa yung pinakamahirap i-navigate, which is yung pinaka bear market or yung pinaka spring na tinatawag, di ba? So the reason why I'm saying this to you guys is not because out of bitterness in my heart. Okay, I want to share you this, guys, na you are nothing. Okay, and even I am nothing. Okay, we cannot predict the future, and that is the very reason kung bakit nandito pa rin ako since 2021. There may be lapses because me moving to different country, looking for a very stable house where we can talk every other day, diba? The reason why I wanna share you this, guys, is we're soil. Okay, na galing tayo sa lupa and alisin mo yung Diyos sa natin. We're just soil, guys. Okay, kung may mga bagay kayo ipagdadamot, you always think of always na sa inyo ba talaga yun. Okay, kasi dumaan din ako dyan sa point na parang hinigpitan ko yung kapit sa pera and most of you guys know my life here at shinare ko sa inyo because I was trying to inspire you all, but I'm not gonna say it again. Okay, I think Demelo, sila Eggsy, yan sila Jules, alam nila yung kinuwento ko na buhay ko nung college sa mga Sunday live dito before when I was still doing it, na ang higpit ng kapit ko sa pera, guys. Then I reach this moment of our life right now, being able to talk to you guys. Okay, hindi ko sasabing mayaman na ako or sobrang yaman ko na. Sasabihin ko na marami na akong nakakausap na tulad nyo. Okay, dati wala. Okay, and I only have like fake friends, temporary companions, because mahigpit ang kapit ko sa pera Okay, until I decided to like let go, tsaka lang pumasok sa akin ng pera, totoong connections. Okay, hindi ko sinasabing dumami yung kaibigan ko, which I refused that temptation again. Okay, what I did is like I learned to cherry pick. Okay, who walks the same path as I do sa dito sa investment. So just to make it again story short, okay guys, huwag kayong mananangan sa sarili nyong kakayanan, guys. Nasasabihin nyo na next bull run na lang or next bear market na lang kayo papasok ulit. Okay, you don't know that. Even I do not know that. That's why we always talk here, gather data, gather tsismis, and pag-uusapan natin. Yun yung kinagandaan ng channel natin. And we're talking about de-dollarization. Okay, so yan, magigets nyo na yung narrative natin. If you get the reason why we are trying to de-dollarize the whole world, you should be able to know what to invest, okay, in the next bull run cycle. It's not RWA. Probably it's part of it kasi damay-damay yan bull run. Okay, probably another 10x for those assets na nakita nyo na nag-bull run. Sabihin natin Rowan, sabihin natin Carbify, sabihin natin Rialto. A lot of RWA. Okay? Pero wala masasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Okay? Itong mga RWA assets like PolyX na yan, yung CGV, Grand, MDB, even yung checks na nagpapump ngayon, yung XS, yan, IXS, Trade, Propi, Propsy, Prophecy, yung CGV, Boson, yan, even yung Boson na sobrang bullish tayo, ID, yung Root, CFG, Floki, na naging RWA na meme, NGL, yung UBXS, Carby, CBY, or Carbify, diba? Ondo yan, the number one asset for tapos token yan, RVST, Reinvest, diba? Yan, lahat yan, yung work asset na yan yung mga yan, RWA. That will be nothing, guys. Okay, magugulat kayo. That could probably give you 10x. Of course. BTC going to 135k. Imposible hindi mag 10x yung ibang assets. That's true. Okay? Hindi ko sinashy away yan. Pero ang sinasabi ko is, makahanap ka ng 50x. Okay? Yung 10x normal yan eh. Basta makapasok ka sa tamang panahon. Okay? And yun yung ginawa natin last year. At yan na naman yung ginawa natin noong September. Noong August, September. Diba? We've been talking about it. And now, we're gonna try our best in Meraki na makapasok ulit tayo doon. And may mga tracker kami dito. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Wait. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. So, stay on the live. Yung tracker namin, okay. Yung tracker namin, pag hindi pa umuwi ang asawa ko, yung fiancé ko, ipapakita ko sa inyo, Okay, so, yung tracker namin, may nakita ko doon, tiga enlighten. Hindi ko lang sasabihin. Net positive siya ngayon. Okay, nasa net positive siya kahit yung market nagda-drop. Actually, we were able to also do sa isang asset is from a deficit of 80% down. Okay, ang target namin, maibalik namin yung asset niya pabalik. Then from there, we'll try to reassess the market and try to get into potential assets na will be part of the So, why am I telling you this? Okay, kasi most of you guys will be looking at the top 100. Okay, bibigay ko na ng libre sa inyo, guys. None of those, okay, according to my research for market cap fundamentals na binigay ko rin sa inyo ng libre. Okay, walang humingi ng link, walang humingi ng ang tawag na request to access the data. Wala. Ngayon sinasabi ko to kasi ngayon pa lang siya gumagana. And you should have actually be able to use it right now. If you remember yourself like accessing it, this is the best time for you guys to read it again. Okay, so these are the reason Okay, so investors are clearly looking at preservation of wealth. That's why it's not like a fad. Okay, it's real. Okay, it's really happening. They sold assets and purchasing. Diba? Yan, Palladium, US, platinum, gold, silver, copper. As well, copper. Diba? Even like uranium. Yan, yung uranium na yan, tingin ko malaki yung magiging niyan. Performance din yan. Kahit nga semento tingin ko kung magkaroon ng world war. Semento ata magbubull run. Super bullish. But anyways, okay. So while we don't Kumbaga, don't have the official confirmation of Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett selling their banking stocks. Okay, there's no 100% confirmation on those. Okay, but there are like some, okay, saying that they did. Okay, some news confirming it as well. Okay, even Russia's central bank to acquire the silver reserve, etc. So, parang ganun. Whether they're preparing for an economic downturn, okay? So, baga reallocating your funds to their investments. Sabihin natin, yung gusto nyong investments is to crypto talaga, hindi kayo hindi kayo nagpo-forex or anything. I would highly suggest you guys to like really just focus on one thing, on one market muna. Okay, kasi if you keep on like watching the traditional task forex, kasi nakikita mo sa mga YouTuber, you focus on one thing. Okay, you focus on one thing, then you master it. Okay, hindi ka po pwedeng palipat-lipat ka tapos bukas dito o dito profitable. Okay, same thing with crypto. Okay, you buying memes, you focus on memes kung memes talaga ang gusto mo. Okay, you cannot just like jump into like one day na parang na-bored ka sa meme kasi kumikita na naman sa RWA. You jump to RWA. No, you're like a rat if you do that. Here in the Tsismisan, I always train and make sure the readers to focus on one thing. We always like have these topics na bumabalik kami sa isang topic. Okay, kasi pinag-uusapan namin siya, diba? Parang baga tuloy-tuloy yung progression nung topic, kumbaga nagpo-progress siya. Kumbaga may mga watchlist kami, kumbaga. Pero mostly ang topics namin dito here is like navigating and tracking, kumbaga. And analyzing gossip, kumbaga. Yung pag-a-analyze ng mga chismis. Okay, so with the rise of alternative investments like silver and Bitcoin, okay, and continued uncertainty in the bank sector, guys. Okay, the itong coming months will be crucial for investors. Could be probably the first month, okay, ng November. Okay, November, first month. First week rather, first month. Could be like the following months will be like really sideways. Then someone will try to test the water to capitulate the whole market for Bitcoin. That could probably happen. Okay, same thing that happened back in 2015-16 bago siya nag-bull run. Okay, same thing with 2020. Okay, hindi naman siya dapat na dadala sa news ng COVID-19, pero bakit siya nag-dump? Because someone tried to test the water, diba? Okay, someone tried to then until nag-domino effect siya. Ang nakakatawa doon, hindi naman saktong-sakto yung drop on the day when it was announced to be like a global pandemic. On the third day, after sa pangatlong candle week na talagang drop, doon lang in-announce yung COVID. Yun, kung babalikan niyo yung candle weeks natin on the daily time frame, makikita niyo yun. Okay, so this probably just a good information that we can watch, but it's a fact. Okay, everyone's like leeching into, hindi ko sasabihin na fact talaga, na fact na na sasabihin ko even the news outlets are into this, etc. No. Okay, kung bakit gossip is like one of the gem finder or detector is because it's gossip. Okay, yun yung kinagalingan natin dito sa Tsismisan. If palagi kayo nandito, guys, okay, yung mga gems na kaspa, diba, katulad yan, sabihin natin kaspa na lang yan. So yung kaspa, sinabi natin yung kaspa dito live pati sa Twitter, it was just like chismis na parang Bitcoin daw yun eh. Hanggang sa parang, umiingay na yung topic na parang Bitcoin yun eh. Okay, sabi ko gano'n, parang, sige, guys, sige, last chance to bug. Sabi ko gano'n, last chance to bug na to. Okay, sabi ko gano'n. So, yun nga, nangyari na. The next following months, nagkaroon na siya ng city, mga endorsers, mga fake fake gurus na nagsasabi alam nila kung paano mag-process or mag-function ng kaspa, wherein copy, paste, and fork lang naman ni BTC, etc. Due to the proof of work, everyone going back to proof of work, etc. Diba? So, kumbaga, it's still our decision eh. Okay, but it works for us here na nag-work yung pagtatrack ng mga tsismis. Okay, yan yung talagang profitable. Okay, whether it's going down or up. Okay, and many of you guys are still like wondering how we were able to like really determine that it's coming down, the market's coming down. Back in 67k sinabi ko, because we failed high on the 69 nung August, di ba? Keeps on coming like before August, July, went down, like really going down, di ba? 47. Okay, but we knew it's going down because there's tsismis, di ba? But yeah, those are the things, okay, that I think. Okay, so what are the experts saying? So both of them are lying. Okay, both of them are lying, probably. Okay, but what the experts are saying as well, they are getting into real estate or technology companies. So si Ray Dalio nasa real estate, si Warren Buffett is like investing to technology companies. Okay, and there has been like an increase of stocks nila sa mga advanced way to look for energy, parang gano'n. Those are the things. Okay, so yeah, papakita ko sa inyo yung namin, tracker namin. Okay, so ito test lang to guys, huwag nyong i-deem as ito talaga yan, ito talaga yung holding nya, hindi. Okay, so wala ipakita sa inyo kasi pinaghirapan namin. Okay, ito. Okay, yung iba naka-access na dito guys. Oh no, ayaw pa-access sa inyo guys. No, ayaw. Wait lang guys ha, hanapin ko. Ito. Bata, yan. Okay, so now, okay, so yan, tinatrack namin yung mga prices namin. Then dito sa pro version na to, hindi ko to binigay sa lahat ng Meraki. Okay, pero next month, okay, ma-access na nila tong pro version. Okay, so dito sa pro version makikita nila yung BCA. So kasi yung main tracker namin is meron siyang time limited, okay? Hindi siya yung parang unlimited na matatrack mo yung yung buy prices mo, etc. Pati yung USD spent mo, yung live PNL mo, pati yung live profit, etc. mo. So the reason why we have this is because we wanna know kung ito na ba yung best time para bumili ng AKA, kunyari AKA. So nag-DCA ako sa AKA. So ilang beses kami nag-buy. Okay, so back in 612, kunyari lang to guys ha, sample lang namin to. Okay, so 612, 622, 84, 828. So no August 28, bumili kami $20, hanggang doon lang yung kinaya, kunyari. Kasi chart nga lang to eh. Kaya magpapaniwala. Okay, so eto, tino-total out niya to. Okay, so sabihin natin na to si Aka dito. Okay, ay sa mga nagtatanong, yan nasa Enlighten. Okay, ganito ko siya ginagawa. Okay, so yung Aka namin, tino-total out niya yung USD spent mo, total invested mo here. Okay, para sa Aka lang to. Okay, now, okay, ito yung maganda. Doon sa total asset accumulated, tino-total out din niya yun. Tapos titignan niya into a average cost per asset. Okay, 0.08. Okay, so tino-total out niya yan. Big shoutouts kay Nathan ha. Sorry, hindi kita na big shoutouts. Okay, so tino-total out niya yung dinidca niya. Tinitingnan niya kung nasan yung average buy mo after gathering the data for your total asset accumulated, pati total dollar invested. Okay, so why do we collect that? Okay? It's because so we can optimize your trading strategy here. So instead of like typing here DCA buying in, 'di ba? You will be able to like categorize everything easily na ano yung mga dapat ko bilhin kasi mag-yellow to, magre-red to, makikita mo kung ano yung pinaka-down mong asset, kung dapat ko ba dagdagan, ito na ba yung best time opportunity, kasi meron tayong technique na ilalabas sa Meraki wherein it will ask you to, it will determine if ito na ba yung best buying opportunity or time, whether the Bitcoin is up or down. Okay, because there will be like lagging data na tinatawag, or lagging asset price, na may makikita kayo na sabihin natin si Zoe, kunyari. Si Zoe, neto lang siya nag-pump, no? Okay? Kahit si BTC, hindi naman siya nagsobrang pump. Nag-pump si BTC, pero si Zoe, sobrang nagwala. Parang ganon. But, we were able to track at got the best buying time sa Meraki. So, sabihin nyo sinungaling tayo yung mga tiga Meraki dito, guys. May mag-comment kayo o nagsisinungaling ako. We keep on like informing them. We even created a lot of document and data shown there why it is best to invest at Zoe. Parang gano'n. And why we are watching Zoe. Okay. So I even like told them like, uy, this is the best buying opportunity. Parang gano'n. Best buying na. Etc. Okay. So those are the strat na tinitingnan ko lately. But katulad ng sinabi ko, the tracker, okay, itong tracker natin should be just for asset gathering. Okay, so kunyari nabenta mo na, masasabi mo rin dito na binenta mo na. Makikita yan ni okay, makikita yan dito. So ilalagay mo lang negative, sabihin natin nagbenta ka. Binenta mo stock account mo, binayinasan mo siya ng 2,000. Tapos ilagay mo lang yung total amount. Parang ganun. Yan, ganyan. So dami pang parts ng document. So yun. So yan, thank you so much kay Kanto. So marami pa kang binabantayan recently, pero hindi ko sasabihin na lahat ng binantayan namin okay, talagang nag-perform, pero none of those like really did a bad pag talagang maraming document produced. Okay, probably yung mga nasa high risk katulad ng nasa Enlighten, pati yung iba naming yung mga assets na katulad niyan sobrang risky, katulad ng AI, sabihin natin yan Lexa, kasi ginawa ko example to, kaya nilagay ko dito yung Lexa AI, di ba? Yun yung mga mali namin, so nilalagay ko siya pa rin dito. Ito Boomer, nilagay ko pa rin siya kasi just for an example. Okay, so yan, nilagay ko kunyari bumili ng $500 worth of Boomer kunyari, tapos parang gano'n. Tapos yan, AIT nilagay din natin para kunyari lang titignan natin kung anong mangyayari, parang gano'n. But this are just example, guys. Okay, hindi ibig sabihin niya meron kami. Okay, so but I will try to create a tracker for Meraki. So para yung mga nasa Meraki makikita nila yung buy sell ko para di ba? Para makita nila kung paano ko gagawin yung 10k to 100k challenge natin ng may buong puso at kadwa. Ng may buong puso at kadwa. Okay. Sana daw yung kadwa, soul, ng may buong puso at soul. Okay. So, yun lang, guys. Wala na akong masyadong sasabihin, guys. Okay. Wala na daw masyadong sasabihin. 1 hour and 6 minutes. Well, I hope you really do like the video or the live natin ngayon. Okay, I will do like somehow a very intrinsic explanation ng natin dito. Okay, so gagawa din kami ng bulletproof strategy here na step by step ng lahat, tas DCA method. Okay, so Meron na bang payment via GCash ang Meraki? Wala namang gano'n. Ano siya sabi mo? Anong GCash? Wala ka. Nasa US talaga ako. Loko-loko to. Nangaogag eh. Ano sasabi mo? Wala ako nun. Papakamot ako ng ulo sa mga pinagsasabi mo. Nasa ibang bansa sila. Nasa ibang bansa ka talaga ako, boss. Ano sinasabi mo? Shoota ka. Sinasabi mo. Sasakit ulo ko sa'yo. Ulo to. Sabi mo, Gcash. Saan na pwede? Para mas mura ko kayong i-charge. Kasi yung charge natin sa pati yung renta ng lahat. Kaya $15 yan dahil yan doon. Tinry ko na nga bigyan kayo discount ng last time eh. Pero kung may kilala kayo, okay, na kunyari ganito may kilala kayo na willing talaga mapasok sa Meraki. Pag naipasok nyo, tapos hindi kayo Meraki, may libre kayong 1 month. Ganon yung gagawin ko. Okay. Pero meron pa akong iba pang gagawin lottery ticket. Pag nakakapag-invite kayo ng Meraki member or nakabili sila ng products ng Meraki, okay, pwede nyo maging ticket yon. Sasabihin natin bumili siya ng 1 month, okay, may 1 ticket ka na doon. Tapos pag nag-renew ka ng ticket mo, okay, ikaw yung nagbayad, may 2 tickets ka right away. Okay, pero yung question, ano yung magiging price? Next time ko na sasabihin yun. Inaaral ko pa kung hindi ba ako kakatokin ng federal government dito or ng IRS. Kaya ng mga regulators kasi alam ko hindi pwede yun. Pero titignan natin, aaralin ko muna. Mahilo pa ang next time. Actually, I was thinking about next time. Huwag ko muna sabihin, guys. Huwag niyo akong pilitin. Okay, so yun lang guys, and I hope you guys have a safe trades. Okay, please do not just keep on going or going in. Okay, sige, ano daw yung narrative? Sige, sasabihin ko sa inyo guys yung narrative na sinasabi ko is more on super risky. Ito yung tinatawag na casino ng crypto. Hindi siya yung casino na hindi casino talaga. Okay, hindi gambling. Okay, hindi gambling sa crypto. Yung sinasabi ko na narrative is tapos na pala. Replay mode me later. Yan, replay ka na lang, Boss Jules. And good evening kay Mark Cabral. Late na kayo guys, replay na lang kayo. Okay, so katalan na sinasabi ko. Okay, this narrative is super risky. Okay, dalawang word na pinagsama. Okay, I think you know this already. It's been going on. If you really want a super bull market, okay, just like in 2019, and this has been the scams that has been going on noong 2018. Okay. Pero they fixed it with a proper banking kineme. Oh yeah, medyo nagigets nyo na 2019, everyone invested to this. Okay. So, marami magsasabi na daw, hindi. Pero isa dun sa na yun, isa dun sa mga yun, okay, was originally this narrative. Okay. Pero, okay, why this narrative will be the new narrative, okay, is because the current banking is failing. Okay, so yan, medyo nagigets niya na Okay, wala na ako sasabihin, yun lang guys. Okay, sa Meraki ko na lang sasabihin yun kasi baka ma-FOMO kayo ngayon kayo magbibili. Alam niyo naman ako pag sinasabi ko yun, biglang nagdadump tapos sasabihin niyo, seryoso, mali ka naman, etc. Tapos biglang nagpump. Ganun yung nangyari sa Ordi, ganun nangyari sa Pendel, ganun nangyari sa Link, sa Injective Protocol. Laugh all you want, guys. Okay, but I'm not sure. I might be wrong this time with the narrative, but there is a strong chance. Okay, and also with your memes, guys, do not fall in love with your memes. Let go. Pumasok kayo dun sa 4 lang, guys. Pepe, Shiba Inu, wag yun na sa amin, Doge. Pepe, Shiba Inu, Bonk, and Coke. Yun lang. Okay. Bias natin, Floki and Sats. Yun lang. Floki and Sats, yung pang-5. Floki and Sats. Okay. Pag pumasok kayo ngayon doon sa 5 na yun, okay. Floki or Sats. Okay. Sinabi ko na. Kalma ka lang, Papa Jules. Okay. Floki or Sats. Okay. Floki or Sats. Coke. Pepe. Bonk. Shib. Okay. Pag na-miss out niyo yan, okay, na-miss out niyo yan, okay, maghahabol na naman kayo. Hahanap na lang kayo ulit ng small cap. Suppose sana, nakapasok ako dito sana. Wala tayong ganong tool. Okay, wala kayong insider wallet. Okay, o sa bakit bumabagsak yung BTC right now? Pullback lang ba ito? Tapos na yung live natin eh. Tapos na yung live natin eh. Pero nananalo yung trade ko. Okay. Ayan, baka sabihin nyo, chika. Ayan, nananalo yung trade ko. Pullback lang yun, guys. Ito yung tinatawag na 70k mentality. Okay, probably if this is like bloody, 64k. Okay, 64k is the next level. Okay, but if not bloody, siguro hanggang dito lang. $39 profit. Okay na yan. Pero in a 4-hour standpoint, sabihin natin. Okay. According to our 4-hour standpoint, it could reach this level. Kahit sa fair value gap, nandito eh. Kahit sa Fibonacci, nandito eh. Diba? So, probably. But we also have like a level here. Okay? But hindi ko na isasagad siya. Siguro mga $100 lang. Okay? So for the first impulse. Okay? Yan, ko-confirm nyo na yung dump. Okay? Kasi nag-break na yung moving average. Very easy to understand. Okay? But we're winning. So we're positive right now. $3. Dapat nga tinaasan ko eh. Kaso inisip ko baka ma-SL hunting to. Okay, dito ako maglagay. Okay, para makita ko mag-fail agad kasi nandito yung next VWAP level natin. Okay, ito. Pero kung ma-reject dito sa mid-level ng VWAP negative natin, pwede siyang pumalo dito sa 67, which is ilang percent na rin yun? 26 profit. Okay, so hindi ko ito isasagad. Siguro hanggang 96 lang to. $96 lang ilalagay ko. Okay. E120X mo. Wala na, naka-set na eh. Ayoko, hindi ko ginagalaw yung mga multiplier tapos naglalagay margin pag nakaset na. Yung fiancé ko, ganun. Nagbubuhos ng magic. Nagmamagic, sarap yun eh. Bubuhusan yung margin tapos tataas yung leb. Lalo na nagtitrail set yun hanggang sa ma-reach niya talaga yung pinaka-TP. Kunyari tug tatagtarin niya yan para bumababa yung entry, DCA entry niya. Tug babasag, yan, lalagyan niya ng kunyari, diba sure siya magbabagsak dito sa level na to, pero pwede ding umangat. So, pag once na nag-confirm talaga na bumagsak na yung ganyan, okay, magsiset na yan ng boom, set. Tapos nakatingin yan. Tapos hindi ko yung magugulo, hindi ko yung madidisturb. Tapos bigla yung i-close, market close. Boom. Ganun yan. Yun, mahirap kausapin yun pag nagtitrade. Nananakmal yun. Sobrang niya, sobrang mahinhin niya, ganun, sobrang bait niya. Tapos pag nagtitrade siya, ibang tao siya, basta ganun. Lock in, naka-lock in yan, hindi mo makakausap yun. Lock in mode. Okay, pero potentially go to 67, guys. If you wanna short the market, short at your own risk. Tapos pwede mag-retrace, tapos pwede bumalik na 66k level. Tapos, boom! Kobe! Kinikilig ka. Yan. Yan. So, kaya potential move natin. Probably. Okay, probably. EBC down hanggang 66k. Sabi nga nila gusto nila 64k. Probably pwede rin siya mangyari kung tutuusin. Kasi nandun yung yung point of interest ng tao. Doon sila nakatingin Dito. Dito sa level na to. Hindi sila nakasakay. Kita din naman yung desperation ng tao nang dinamp nila, binalik nila. Kala nila yun na yun. Boom. Bumalik. So, din yan diba? POMC? Meeting? Or meeting lang to? Fed meeting, no? Fed meeting yan So, kala nila, iwan na sila Kala nung diretso na to 69, no? Biglang boom. Binawi. Ako, nakatingin ako sa VWAP ng time na to. Kaya nasakyan natin. Sabi ko, overheat to. Pag pumasok dyan, pwede tayong magtadtad ng shorts. May turtle soup. Naging turtle soup siya. Yan. Yun lang guys. Wala na akong sasabihin guys. Huwag niya ako i-extend. Wala na tayong pang-extend guys. Okay? Yun lang guys. And sa mga gustong pumasok sa Meraki guys, feel free to scream around. Scream. Okay? Pasok lang ngayon. Maling link yung na-send ko. Sorry. Chart ko yan. Okay, ito yung yan. No problem guys. Yung mga gusto mag-replay, feel free to replay guys. And yun lang guys. Thank you so much sa mga patuloy sa suporta. Tsismis lang lahat ng yun. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin.